Welcome to the world of 3D printing, where imagination turns into reality. The journey starts with a digital design using CAD software. Every curve and detail is crafted carefully. Next is slicing the model. The design is divided into thin layers, ready for printing. The 3D printer heats up and begins building the object layer by layer. Materials like PLA, ABS, and PETG are commonly used. As the printer works, each layer forms, slowly bringing the design to life. After printing, the object is removed from the bed. Post-processing includes trimming supports, sanding, and painting. At Subkey Designs, we make your ideas a reality, one layer at a time.